This is a video presentation of the 2022 HAAS VF-2. Right now we are currently running it, running the spindle. We'll go ahead and crank that up a little bit. We did warm it up. And that's topped out at 8,100 RPMs. And I'll bring it back down. That's at 3,500 RPMs. That's about 800 RPMs. Next, we'll go ahead and do a tool change. And then we'll go ahead and move it through its paces. We'll start off with the X-axis. This does have probing. It's also got the a mist collector on it. We'll fire up the chip conveyor. That's going. All right. And we'll do a quick walkthrough. Actually, that's locked. I can do. I have the other side open. Ethernet there. And just to verify, this is serial number 1193804, 07 of 2022. And this is a 220 volt three-phase machine. And as you can see, there isn't a fourth axis ready or anything like that, but super clean, obviously, like new. You got the coolant tank, and then the box that I'm pretty certain it's got the foot pads and the Renishaw tool probe as well. The blocks ready to go. This concludes the video presentation of the 2022 HAAS VF-2.